Hello students, today we are going to learn about decimals. First we'll see what are decimal fractions. Fractions whose denominator is 10 or a power of 10 is called decimal fractions. For example, 2 by 10, 43 by 100, 17 by 1000. Another way of expressing a decimal fraction is by writing the numerator with a dot at the proper place and removing the denominator. Thus, 2 by 10 can be written as 0.2, 43 by 100 can be written as 0.43, 17 upon 1000 can be written as 0.017. Number in this form is known as the decimal number or simply decimals. A decimal has two parts, whole number part and the decimal part. These two parts are separated by a dot which is known as the decimal point. The whole number part is to the left of the decimal point and the decimal part is to the right of the decimal point. Thus 63.82. 63 is a whole number part and 82 is the decimal part. The number of digits contained in the decimal part of a decimal gives the number of its decimal places. For example, in 6.23 we have 2 decimal places. In 34.7834 we have 4 decimal places. Like decimals, decimal having the same number of decimal places are known as the like decimals. For example, in 43.346 we have 3 decimal places. In 6.306 we again have 3 decimal places. So these are the example of like decimal. Unlike decimal, decimal having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. For example, 3.23 here we have 2 decimal places. 0.234 here we have 3 decimal places. 1.1 here we have 1 decimal place. Now there is an important property of decimal. A very important property of decimal is that adding 0 after the last digit of the decimal part of any decimal number does not change the value of the decimal. For example, 1.1, if we add 1 0 or we add 2 or 3 zeros, the value of 1.1 will remain same. There will be no change in the value of the decimal 1.1. Now, this property is used to convert the unlike decimal to the like decimal. For example, here we have 4.3, 6.42, 19.343. Now, here we have 1 decimal place, here 2 decimal place, here we have 3 decimal place. So to make it to the like decimal, we need to convert all to 3 decimal places. So we need to add 2 zeros over here, 1 0 over here. Now this is converted to the like decimals. Hope you like the video. Happy learning.